We'll now change out the services section for each separate service. I'll show you how to do one, and you'll be able to apply the changes across each and every one of these services. If you would like to delete a service because you don't have as many services as are listed here, simply hover over an area that's green and click the delete button here, and you'll see that it removes it. If you accidentally do that, you could hit Control-Z and it'll put it back there. You could also hit this time button and go back to the loaded page time, and it'll reset the page to when you reloaded it. So to change out the private class area, you would hover over the title and click on the title, and you would put in the title of your service. To change the heading text size, you would go to the heading text. It's set to default. You can make it bigger or smaller. To change the divider, you would hover over the divider area and click on Design and click on Line to change the color. To change out the synopsis of the service, you would hover over the text area or highlight the text area and change it out to match your text. So you would change out your text in the services area. You could also change out the text by hovering on the Design tab, clicking on it, and clicking the text color and changing out the sizing there. To change out the pricing area, hover over that text. The pricing is set as heading 3. So if you wanted to make changes to the color of this area for the pricing, you would click on the Design tab, click on heading text, and click on H3 to change out the color or the sizing or the shadow that's on it. Same thing for the text. If you wanted to change out the text color, you would hover over text and you would change the text size by going up or down or up. And make sure to click that Save button when you're done. To change out the placeholder image, the same way that we changed out other placeholder images, just hover over that module settings, change out the image by clicking Image, upload your image there or pick from your library and upload. To change the box shadow color, click on Design. This is that green area that's there. You'll be changing. Click on Box Shadow. Scroll down to pick the shadow color that matches your branding. And when you're done, click that Save button. To change out the button, the buttons are set to default that we changed in the theme customizer, so it should already have applied. But if you want to change each individual button, you're more than welcome to. Click on Design, click Button, and use custom styles and play around with that to your heart's desire. The link is already set for the page, the contact page. So that Get Started button is for clicking on to get to your contact page. If you want to change that out, you click this Delete button and input the link for the page that you want it to go to. You could also change the text of the button by clicking the button area and changing out the text there. Be sure to save all changes. And again, everything that I just showed you here, it's the same steps for each individual services section area.